Hi, do you want to save lakhs of rupees in your home loan interest and close your home loan much faster? If you are an existing home loan customer or looking for new home loan in near future, then Bank of Baroda's home loan can help you to save lakhs of rupees in your home loan interest just by linking your home loan account to your savings account and close your home loan much faster. Let's understand features, offers and benefits of Bank of Baroda home loan. First, zero processing fee. You just need to pay minimal legal valuation charges and government charges. Second, Bank of Baroda offers one of the lowest interest rates in the market. Rate of interest starts from and varies as per CIBIL score, and you can also avail 0.05% concession for women applicants or by opting for life insurance. There are other concessions also up to 0.10% for salary account holders, ready possession properties and loan transfer cases from other banks. Hurry, it's limited period offer. Third, transparent and automatic interest rate changes. In Bank of Baroda, interest rates are linked to RBI's repo rate and changes automatically as per the repo rate change and to the same percentage as per repo rate changes. You need not to pay any conversion fee for reducing interest rates if repo rate reduces. Fourth, daily reducing balance method. Interest rates are calculated at daily reducing balance method where you get the impact of part payments immediately instead of monthly, unlike many other banks. Fifth, Bank of Baroda offers Baroda Advantage home loan overdraft facility where you can save lakhs of rupees in your home loan interest just by linking your home loan account to your savings account and close your home loan much faster. In this facility, your home loan account is linked to Bank of Baroda's saving account, and whatever amount you deposit in savings account, it is considered as part payment. Thus, your interest is calculated on the remaining amount, that is, loan outstanding of that day minus amount deposited in savings account. In this way, there will be lot of interest saved every month, and whatever interest is saved, it is deducted from your principal outstanding. Hence, there are two things happening. You are paying less interest, more principal, thus your home loan will close much faster. The best part is that there is no extra fee or rate of interest charge for this product up to 75 lakh rupees. Sixth, up to 90% funding. Bank of Baroda can fund up to 90% of your project cost, which generally includes agreement value, GST, infrastructure charges, etc., subject to valuation of property. Seventh, Suvidha loan. You can also avail additional loan which can be up to 75% of your stamp duty and registration charges. Eighth, zero charges for part payment and foreclosure. There are no restrictions for making part payments or closing your loan early. Ninth, Bank of Baroda offers higher loan eligibility and longer loan period. 10th, with the transparency and trust of second largest PSU bank, get the home loan services at your doorstep. Now let's see the charges. Processing fee is zero, but there are some charges for legal, valuation and other verifications called as upfront charges. It's only 4130 rupees for approved projects. These are the only two charges taken by bank. Rest others are government charges, which constitutes the biggest chunk of overall charges to be incurred. First, mortgage charges, which is 0.3% of loan amount. Second, stamp paper and notary charges. It is approximately 2000 rupees. And third is notice of intimation, which will be approximately 16,500 rupees. Apart from this, property insurance is mandatory and can be taken near possession of your property. So, these were the top 10 features, benefits and charges of Bank of Baroda home loan. For best offers, discounts and more details, please reach us on the number flashed on screen. We will help you in the entire journey of your home loan. Thank you.